top tourist attractions in Los Angeles. Hey everyone, if you're planning a trip to Los Angeles, you're in for a treat. This vibrant city has plenty of attractions to explore. Here are some of the top places to visit in Los Angeles. First up, Universal Studios Hollywood. This theme park and studio tour offers visitors a behind-the-scenes look at some of the most popular movies and TV shows. Next, we have the Griffith Observatory. This iconic observatory offers stunning views of the city, as well as educational exhibits on space and astronomy. If you're an art lover, make sure to check out the Getty Center. This museum features a collection of art from around the world, as well as beautiful gardens and stunning views of the city. For some fun in the sun, head to Santa Monica Pier. This historic pier offers a variety of attractions, including an amusement park, aquarium, and plenty of restaurants and shops. Of course, no trip to Los Angeles is complete without a stroll down the Hollywood Walk of Fame. This famous stretch of sidewalk features the stars of some of the biggest names in entertainment. If contemporary art is more your style, be sure to visit the Broad. This museum features works by some of the world's most famous artists, including Jeff Koons, Cindy Sherman, and Yayoi Kusama. For a unique beach experience, check out Venice Beach. This eclectic beachfront neighborhood is home to street performers, artists, and plenty of people-watching opportunities. If you're in the mood for some high-end shopping, head to Rodeo Drive. This famous shopping district is home to some of the world's most luxurious brands, with plenty of high-end boutiques and restaurants to explore. The Los Angeles County Museum of Art is another must-visit attraction. This museum features a collection of art from around the world, including pieces from ancient civilizations to contemporary artists. Lastly, don't forget to take a drive down Sunset Boulevard. This famous street offers a glimpse into Hollywood history, with plenty of iconic landmarks and entertainment venues to explore.